a great day for a drive, especially in a 2019 F-150 XLT in white with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You're seeing the sport decaling, and that's the sport package with the center console and that sport cloth. You have a power sliding rear window, heated seats, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Both driver and passenger seat are powered with power lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor. Your electronic parking brake is here, power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle as well as a running board, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. We're going to go in there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. You have a little cubby up top there. You've got your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and right now our navigation map is coming up, and you have your different options. When you hit home, all your options will come up there. There you go. And we can go into audio, and I'll turn down the sound. We can go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And if we go into our settings, we're going to see the different options. There's Bluetooth again, there your navigation, Ford Pass Connect, automatic updates, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. We can change the look of our display screen as well, and you just touch in them for the different options that you'd like. Now, if you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So the center line is that dotted line, green, yellow, red. It's just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. That's your back bumper right there. Going to put us back into park for safety's sake. There's our volume and tuner. There's our climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC. And in the little cubby, you've got 2 USB outlets. You can just press that and it'll close right up. Automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. So when we press that, it'll appear on your dash. So there's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And that's simply by pushing that button right there. And you've got a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up. There's a nice bin in there. Take that out, and down below you've got lots of room. I'm just going to pop that back in there. Off to the side is your 12-volt N110. You also have a locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and the power sliding window. That's the control for that right there. And you're ready to go. 18-inch wheels, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle with keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. You've got your sport decaling, and in the back you have a black handle that extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera's just below that handle. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link in this nice line box. And you also have a tailgate step, and that little yellow button pulls up and creates a handle, making it easier to get in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start, speaker in the door, as well as power windows, grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab, and that'll bring it right down. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And you see this nice sport cloth that looks like a tire tread. On the floor are carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, USB outlets, 110, air vents. You have another grab handle on the driver's side, hooks lighting up above, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. This vehicle is an Eco Boost. It has a 5.5-foot box that's lined with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link and a tailgate step, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.